everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Kay, also known as Keisha, and my channel is called Living Life with Kay. And in today's video, I am going to be making banana bread with my daughter, who, by the way, makes the best banana bread in Ohio, in my opinion. Anywho, I also wanted to just wish everyone a happy Mother's Day. I know that there is a lot to Mother's Day for different reasons. So if you still have your mother and you're still able to see her, hug her, kiss her, please do so. For all those who don't have their moms to hug and kiss and to love on for Mother's Day, I am right there with you. I lost my mom in 2018, and I think about her every Mother's Day. But I'm also a mom, and I'm thankful to have 6 wonderful people that I gave birth to. I can't call them kids because they're not children anymore, but they're all adults, and I feel blessed every Mother's Day to have had them, to watch them grow and develop. And I also have a grandson who I love dearly. So if you are a mom of any sort, whether it's a pet mom, whether it's a mom to your grandkids, whether it's a mom to your nieces, nephews, whether you foster, whatever role you play in someone else's life in that capacity, happy Mother's Day to you also. making 4 of these for the co-workers. This one is for the house, and it has chocolate chips, strawberries, bananas, and walnuts, and it was absolutely delicious. I would strongly encourage you to make this. Follow any basic recipe, but then add your own inserts, add-ons, toppings that you like.